Young men like animals. That is 2. Number 3.
Fidelis.
Good.
Open the letter.
Go down. You see?
4 here and 3. 1 day down.
That's how many?
That is 4.
So, of all the people I don't kill so far, how many so far?
All the people we don't kill, the people we don't kill, with my hand there on top. Me na 4. My hand there on top, sir.
Your friend don't have cash money.
My friend 5.
Now, who be your leader?
4 here.
For this killing one you do so?
This guy, sir.
Nah, this one be the leader. I be the leader.
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
Me, 23.
How old are you now?
22.
22. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
How many children?
1.
Where's your wife now?
You don't kill her.
David, what do you call it? Kashimana or Kashima, aka Cashman, as a part of this horrendous crime. Just this the other place they just bury a young lady there. So it's unfortunate. So simply the challenge is security intelligence gathering. You have a lot of hiccups generally. It's still ongoing, so we wouldn't say. The investigation is still ongoing.
Okay.
And we hope many of them will be apprehended to face the wrath of the law.
Like how many have they given you so far that they're looking at now? How many are you looking at in terms of trying to pick?
He mentioned that there are about 10 in this horrendous act. So we are going to make sure we track them down and apprehend all of them by the grace of God.
So I'm very happy about this work. In fact, we are so excited. I and the
we in short.
I and my colleague, we are very happy.
This bro has been terrorizing this area since we came to board. We couldn't do anything because of those boards. This is the only project we have. Since then, we have been killing, kidnapping. Every week, they used to kill more than 10 people. With this arrest, our people sleep more than 24 hours a day. Otherwise, they will not sleep in the house. But today, we see some of them. That is why you see many people in Tawachan there.